Today we will talk about a problem in competitive programming to erase the value of those elements which are repeating and have the maximum number. So I will give this problem description in the link and the solutions too. So we will do a quick look, means we will take a quick look at the problem and how it is done, and I will do a fast coding. So firstly I am taking the inputs in a file, and we will use the directional operator to directly give it as input. So firstly we will import the necessary libraries, that is stl, bhstd c++.h, then the namespace, and we will then begin with the main. So what we will do is we will input the array elements, find the maximum sum and total sum from the elements in linear time, and then remove the maximum sum from the total sum. So I am doing a fast track coding here, so definitely there will be some errors. I will edit them later, and I will make some errors. Here. So firstly we are taking the inputs, then after that we will take a total sum. We will take a counting sort kind of an array where we are, since the constant is given that it is 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 1000 on the left side, so we can do a counting sort mechanism here and find it in linear time almost. So what we will do is, if we are finding the number in, then we will increment the array's position by that number, means every time we are finding the number we will calculate the sum. So like that we will take the sum, and we also have to take the total sum, and for that we can do that in array, or we can do that when we are taking input too. So let's run this. So wrong output. Let's see what is wrong. After a few moments I realized that I did a blunder, that I actually didn't take the input. So what I will do is I will take the input, means the number of numbers that needed to be stored in the array. So I realized that few moments later. Then I will remove the comment lines for which I was doing debugging. So we can use GNU debugger or manually printing debugging. So now the inputs presents correct output, and we will see the examples, and the examples are okay, and now we will submit it. So I will be doing more videos on this, so the output is correct on competitive programming. So please like, share and subscribe for more of these videos, and thanks for your time. I will upload this in GitHub, and thank you.